Hello everyone! I have made Kitty, little adorable Kitty last time, and today I will show you how to make a Christmas hat. Very nice, very tiny Christmas hat. I will start with 2 chain stitches. And make 5 single crochets in the first chain stitch. Five single crochet for round 1, second round, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the second stitch, and 1 single crochet in each stitch around. 5 single crochets in the round 2. I'm using 4mm crochet hook and acrylic yarn. This is ordinary double knit yarn. I'm turning the hat inside out on the right side facing you and hiding the tail. Next round I will be making increase. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, two single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, two single crochets in the next stitch, one single crochet in the last stitch of this round. Make slip stitch and chain 1 to finish this hat. We haven't finished yet. We will add pom-pom. I will show you how to make very small, tiniest pom-pom ever. And I want to add some white fluffy yarn on the brim. I will be making slip stitch. Insert your hook in the stitch, pull up a loop, and take the same loop through your stitch, through the loop. This is slip stitch, the smallest stitch we know. going around, 1 slip stitch in each stitch, should be 7. And this is tiny adorable hat for my little tiny kitty. If you haven't seen tutorial I posted yesterday, please go on my channel, click videos, and you will see this tutorial and many more. And I will show you how to make pom-pom. Supposed to be very small, tiny pom-pom for this tiny head, so I'm just twist the yarn around my finger. Make it loose. Just a few times, then you need to take it off and watch me doing a pom-pom.